Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete your Phantom wallet account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Phantom mobile phone on your phone. Simply scan your Face ID and get signed in. Now right afterwards, you're gonna tap on this little account icon on top left corner and tap on the settings icon on top right corner. Now from over here, tap on this option of security and privacy. So now over here you cannot see a direct delete or disable account option because it is not available on Phantom. You do have option of reset app. If you tap on it, you can see this will remove all existing account and data. Make sure you have your secret phrase and private keys backed up. Now once you have done that, or you simply don't care and simply want to build up a new account by deleting this account, tap on continue for the further, and then you will be able to ask to provide some secret phrase as a security method. Provide them and then your account will be deleted and you're good to go. Now you can just again open this particular app and create a new account for your own purpose likewise. So that is basically how you can do it on Phantom. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.